Don't you wish your cousin was having adventure? Tatawa ng Zoe, sasabi naman yun,
Ah. Ay, mami. Napunta. Gala ka na naman ah.
Bakit ako sinasaliw mo? Hindi mo sarili mo.
Bakit?
Kaya kasi sinasagala forever.
Parang buwan-buwan na lang nasa ano ko airport. Parang akong cabin crew. Yan, naka-check-in na kami. Ano tayo pumunta?
Check-in.
Saan tayo punta?
Sinchang.
Sinchao?
Sinchang. Watching listening pala to my favorite artist.
Wala mo akong favorite artist.
Ito ang favorite person.
Person.
Ikaw ang favorite person. Hello there. Watch out.
Tayo. Sinchao. Sakay na ako sa Grab. Unang silip sa Vietnam. Parang ka rin nasa Pilipinas, yung feel, yung weather. Napansin ko lang yung mga Grab nila rito, mga kotse nila. Nakabalot yung mga kisame. Ayun o. Para hindi maaligabungan. Nagyan din kaya natin si Dingdong yan. Nagyan din natin si Dingdong. So dito sa Vietnam, parang sa Pinas din, left hand drive sila. Maganda.
Palor. Mga karamihan, mga 3-4 na palapag yung mga bahay dito, matataas. Yun lang ang napansin ko na ano. So malinis siya, in fairness. Country. Luma, pero malinis.
Oo, malinis. Kaya sa luma, pero madumi.
Compare pa mo. Compare pa mo.
Hindi, nasabi ko lang. Siyempre,
Ito
hindi
yung
mo pwedeng
katoto.
hindi i-compare to dahil kapitbahay natin to eh.
Correct.
Diba? Sila,
Para kang dumaan sa ano. Saan ba ba? Para kang dumaan sa yung paggaling ka ng sa tabi sa papuntang ano ng Arellano, di ba? Yung mga alphabet nila may kakaibang ano tuldo o kung ano man sila.
kuntil-kuntil.
Kuntil-kuntil.
Yung mga nagmumotor dito, yung iba nga nagmumotor, wala silang mga helmet. Kanina nasa highway, ma'am, walang helmet. Eh, naka-hoodie lang na ganyan. Diyos ko, pag bumulagta ka, ano magagawa yung hoodie mo?
Pero that's parang ang bakit mo pagmamalahan nila. Hindi naman kaya mga kamoting
Opo.
alam sa kanil talaga ang daan.
Meron din mga kamote dito eh.
Pero
Kasi bawal sila sa gitna, dapat sa gilid lang sila eh. Yung ibang mga bahay dito parang sa Pilipinas, ito mga luma-luma na yung bahay.
talaga ang daan. Pero kawasan.
Yan o, tingin mo dito. Yan o sa mapa yung doon natin. Ito yung entrance papunta dun sa Beam Bridge para makatawid ka dun sa lake.
Maglakad lang ka.
Kamusta naman ang weather dito sa
Okay lang naman.
Sa Hanoi.
Okay lang.
no? Hindi siya kasing lagit ng Laguna. Tama, parang ang lipa. Parang lipa.
Nanonood tayo ng puppet show today.
Unang activity natin dito sa Hanoi.
Kasi part nga to ng culture nila. So, maganda rin na ma-experience natin bilang turista tong mga ganitong palabas sila. No?
Oo. Tingnan natin.
Nakita
Babaliktad
naman
ko
natin
yung
sa...
camera. Yan, oh, ayan. Tapos ito
Yan,
yung
ganyan yung
stage.
tsura ng stage.
Merong water. Diyan sila mamaya pe-perform. Dami rin tao.
Halos puno rin eh.
Halos puno yung theater. Yan siya. Saka.
So as I always like tell every other tourist, if they like spend in Hanoi for like a long time, they should try to discover like the other side of the old quarter. Because the old quarter itself is for tourists.
Yeah.
Everything is just like it's not natural. And the price expensive.
Expensive.
Yeah. If they have time, you know, they can do like discover like around the city.
Yeah.
You know,
But
find
we-
something new. And,
We only have 5 days and we have to go to Sapa
yeah.
day after tomorrow. Yeah, next time we'll bring our kids. We'll stay longer.
Yeah.
For sure.
And as I said, for like a short amount of time, like just under a week or so, I mean, the old part area is enough because you don't have to spend like too often, like or in long term, you know,
Yeah.
just a week, and you still got like decent quality food and stuff. Everything you need or fit like
Yeah.
in this old part area.
See?
We put a little bit of the noodles
Okay.
and a little bit of probably the
How do you say it? Boncha? Bancha? Buncha. Okay.
Yeah,
Buncha.
good.
Buncha.
You okay with the?
Yeah, sure. That's
So
pork.
you got pork belly,
Yeah.
and also meatballs.
Yes.
Oh,
Just break it down. The meatball is really nice.
wow.
Yeah, that's what I.
Looks good.
We saw a video of a guy who came here and ate this stuff, and he said it's so good.
Yeah.
You saw the video?
Yeah.
Yeah. But he didn't use the papers.
No?
He probably thought it was tissue, right?
Yeah, yeah.
A lot of customers, they like been here for quite some time, you know, and they don't really enjoy doing the rice paper. I mean, the experience in our restaurant is for you like, it's just like cooking session, you know.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
That's just a similar way to make spring roll. So next time you do spring roll, you know what to put in and like how to roll.
Well, like for our cuisine, we have spring rolls. We have the
Yeah, we have spring
breakfast
rolls,
Yeah.
fresh spring
but
rolls.
not this. You like
Not this.
Yeah, it is
Yeah. So
different.
it's similar.
Yeah.
We do that as well. Like
Oh my god.
Nice and compact.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Lady-
I hope we can also do the same thing, you know, like it won't be loose. We'll try to do the same thing
and then,
as you did it.
My husband can. I can
figure it
follow. I
out.
can do it for my husband. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Enjoy your meal.
What's your name?
I'm Mike.
Mike?
Yeah.
Mike.
Yeah, Mike.
My name is Mike. What are you talking about?
You're Mike also.
My name is Mike. My name is Michael.
Mike. Mike is what I call myself. Here.
Ah.
Easier for you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. My name is Mike.
Your name is what?
Real name is Chung Ai.
Chung Ai.
Yeah, that's why Mike is easier.
Mike is easier.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Mike. You're handsome, Mike.
Thank you. You too. You are like very handsome boy, Mike.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mike. See you later.
Thank you and come on.
Come on. Come on.
Alright, got it. Okay.
Thanks, Mike. Yeah.
Thank you. Nanti ako.
Yun nga, nandito kami sa may Hoang's restaurant para itry yung mga authentic na Vietnamese cuisine. Ito daw yung bun cha.
Buncha. Buncha, we sure Buncha. Tatawa ng Zoe. Sabi naman yun.
Ayan. So, ano siya, grilled pork tsaka meatballs. Tapos meron kaming parang pork spring rolls.
Bigyan natin ng konting.
Saka order din kami ng beef. Beef fat. Ayan.